This is Jules, and like most 3-year-olds, he likes nothing better than a trip to a toy shop. But how can his parents be sure that a toy that might catch his eye is safe?
Alors oui, les gens sont inquiets, surtout quand c'est pour des tout-petits, quand c'est pour des bébés, quand c'est pour des enfants de bas âge.
While all the toys in this store are high quality and meet strict EU standards, that's not the story everywhere. Since 2009, the Toy Safety Directive has made toys sold in the EU safer. But with the rise of online sales, especially from outside the EU, many toys and products for children don't always meet those standards. New toxic chemicals are a challenge, as is the growth of toys connected to the internet, which pose dangers to children's privacy. Hacking is a major concern.
Toy safety rules need to be updated because things are changing. We have connected toys, we have different challenges related to substances. We need to be sure that toy safety rules are in line with the new safety requirements in a changing world.
New risks are constantly emerging. MEPs say the rules must be better designed to adapt to advances in science and technology. They also want stricter limits on toxic and cancer-causing chemicals. On top of these changes, all toy safety rules should be better enforced in member states.